Hello Ford Explorer enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel. Today, we've got something every Ford Explorer owner needs to know: how to reset the oil life after you change the engine oil. So let's dive right in. In this first section, I'll show you how to reset the oil change light on the third generation Ford Explorer. I know this can be a bit tricky, especially for those new to the Explorer family. But fear not, I've got your back. So let's do it. Step 1. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Step 2. Push the reset button on the instrument cluster till you see the setup menu hold reset on the screen. Step 3. Hold down the reset button to reach the setup menu. Step 4. If you see System Check Hold Reset on the screen, press and hold the reset button again to enter the menu. Step 5. Then, push the reset button a couple of times till you see the hold reset if new oil on the screen. Step 6. Press and hold the reset button until oil life SED to 100%. To reset the oil life in 2011 to 2019 Ford Explorer, we're going to be paying attention to the left display and use the navigation button on the steering wheel. So here's how you do it. Step 1. Start up your car. Step 2. Press the left navigation button to enter the main menu. Step 3. Scroll down to the settings menu and then press the OK button. Step 4. Scroll down and select the vehicle or convenience menu. Step 5. Find the oil life reset menu and press OK. Step 6. Hold down the OK button, and you will have successfully reset your oil life. If you have a 2022-2024 Ford Explorer, you can reset the oil life using the menu button on the right side of the steering wheel. So here's what we're going to do. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Hit the menu button on the steering wheel to get the main menu. Step 3. Scroll down until you get to the settings menu, and then press OK. Step 4. Find and select the oil life. Step 5. To reset it, you just press and hold the OK button until it changes to 100%. Next, I'll show you the alternate method if your Ford Explorer has no reset option in the menu. So this is the right way to do it. Step 1. Turn on your car without starting the engine. Step 2. Push the menu button on the steering wheel to enter the main menu. Step 3. Scroll down until you get to the settings menu. Step 4. Go to the information menu and press OK. Step 5. Find and select the oil life menu. Step 6. Now, you'll need to hold the accelerator and the brake pedals to the floor for a while until oil life changes to 100%. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, and happy driving.